So we have to do with exercise number 3. The clefs and key signature need to make major scales. So let's repeat all of them. A major. A major, this is the scale which gives us 3 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. Next scale, B flat major. B flat major, this is the scale which gives us 2 flats, B flat and E flat. E flat major, this scale gives us 3 flats, B flat, E flat, and A flat. Okay, so E flat major. E flat major has 3 flats. This E flat in the treble or bass clef. So this E flat is in bass. So we have to write the bass clef, then to write 3 flats. B flat, E flat, and A flat. Okay, now the next one. B flat major. B flat major gives 2 flats. So treble or bass. The first note is B flat, so when we go with you down, and the last is B flat. So this one is the B flat, this C, D, E flat, F, G, and A. So this note, as like B, we can find in the treble clef. So treble clef, B flat, E flat, next A major, 3 sharps. This is A, and this one is A. So we have with you descending, so G, F, E, D, C, and B. So this note is A, this F sharp, G sharp, C sharp. This note is A in the treble or bass. This A is in the bass clef. So we have to write F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. So just have to write them properly. F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. Okay, next two, please do by yourself. So E flat major, this E flat, F, G, A, B, C, D. We have with you 3 flats, B flat and A flat and E flat. So we have to choose treble or bass. So this note is E is in the now B flat major. So let's see. This is the scale ascending way. So we have to write name of the notes. Now we have 2 flats. It's B flat, E flat, and B flat. So you have to identify, is it treble clef B or bass clef B flat? And now you have the answers for this. So for the first one, E flat. So this E flat for the treble clef, and we have to write with you 3 flats, B, E, and A flat. B flat major, this B in the bass clef, so we have to write B and E only. Okay, let's start with you with the next task. Name the key of each extract and write them without the accidentals. Let's repeat all the scales which we learned before. So the first one is scales, key, or key we name them, key signature. First one is C major. C major has none of the key signature. The next one is F major. You remember that F major use B flat. The next one is B flat major. B flat major has 2 flats, B flat and E flat. And E flat major. E flat major use 3 flats, B, E, and A flat. Next one, we will use the sharps. So G major, use 1 sharp, it's F sharp. Next one is D major. D major, use 2 sharps. And it's going to be F sharp and C sharp. Next is A major, which is going to use 3 sharps, F, C, and G sharp. Okay, so let's collect with you everything what we can find in the next exercise. So we have to identify the key in example number A. C sharp first. Next one is F sharp. Next one another F, F, and G sharp. So where we can find with you F, C, G. F, C, G we can find in A major. So we have to write here key A major. Now we should to write with you the treble clef, the key signature F, C, and G, F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp, time signature 3, 4. And now we have to rewrite all this example without use of accidentals. So we rewrite all this example without any sharps. Be careful. Write it clear with the straight bar lines. Add the ties, dots. Okay, let's see continuation of this task on the next page. So here we have with you to collect again bass clef. So the first one is the B flat. The next one, E flat. Then another B flat and another B flat. So B flat and E flat we can find in B flat major. So we have to write B flat major, bass clef, 2 flats, B flat, E flat, time 4, 4. Now we have again to rewrite all this example without use of the accidentals because we already identify them and we wrote them as like the key signature. So we have to write without the accidentals. So remember please about this. Then 2 quavers, D and C. After you have the note D, then C and B, 2 quavers, another B and A. Close it please. Let's see with you the next please. 3 you have here B flat, then E flat, B flat again, E flat, B, A. So this one is A flat and another is B flat. Let's see again where you can find 3 flats. 3 flats, E flat major. E flat major. So let's write with you the treble clef. B flat, E flat and A flat. Then 3 over 4 and we again rewrite it without the use of the key signature. Next note B, then E, F. Be very careful with your handwriting. Then G, then B, F, G. Next note A, and then B, meaning. And we have to write etc. at the end. Okay, so please continue the other tasks the same way. So bass clef, this is F sharp, this one is C sharp, next another C sharp, and the last is G sharp. Okay, so 3 sharps belong to A major. We have to write A major, bass clef, F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. Time signature crossed C. C cross tells us about 2 over 2. And again we rewrite the example without the use of the accidentals. So we already have done it with the key signature. These 2 quavers T and B, then A note and G. Again we have etc. Okay, so please continue all other tasks by yourself.